Hi there guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps. I just wanted to share our good news with you today. We are so excited to be launching our own new ink pads. We've named them Elements, and these are a premium dye ink, so they work fantastic with the gel press. As you all know, ColorBox were discontinued some time ago, and so for the last 10 months we have been working really hard to bring you an ink pad that will work well with the gel press and for lots of other projects. I will be showing you all the colours shortly in a demonstration, but for now I just wanted to show you the box and the colours that we've got here. So this is Merlot, Graphite, lovely grey, Paprika, Mermaid, and we have Sundance, Blue Lagoon, Sahara, which is a lovely mustard yellow, Truffle, an olive green, Henna, and lastly we've got Pine. So 12 different colours, and these are our premium dye ink pads called Elements. Stay with me guys, and I will now do some demoing and just show you the colours, what they look like outside the box. Okay guys, so here are our 12 new ink pads. Right here in front of me you can see all the colour combination there now. And what's great about them is that they will stack as well on top of each other. So I'm going to just quickly show you some swatches that I created using the brayer. So we've got olive and we've got pine. So those are the two different greens we've got. On the other side we've got Sahara, which is that lovely mustard yellow, and then we've got Sundance, which is a really nice bright yellow. We've got, what have we got here? We've got Henna, which is this one here. So it's a lovely sort of red brown colour. On the other side we have mulberry and paprika. So we've got paprika and we've got mulberry. Let's have a look. We've got Merlot and Mermaid. So Merlot, where are we? There it is. That's Merlot and the lovely Mermaid there. And then on the other side we've got Blue Lagoon and we've got Truffle. And then lastly we've got the Graphite, which is a lovely grey. Okay, so those are the colours on the swatches, as you can see. So I just wanted to show you maybe as well, using the smoothies, got the yellow here. So this is the Sundance. So that's a lovely, lovely yellow. And we've got Sahara, excuse my fingerprints on there. Which is a really nice sort of mustard colour. And then in the next corner we've got the Blue Lagoon. And you can see how vivid these inks are, how wet they are as well. So there's a lot of colour in these boxes. And we've got paprika. And we've got mermaid. I think that's the right one, yeah. I think this is definitely one of my favourites, the mermaid. So we've got the pine green. Lovely, lovely green. And we've got olive green. That's nice. And we've got mulberry. Which is a lovely sort of muted pinky colour. Okay. And we've got henna. Such depth to these colours. They'd be great for distressing the edge. And we've got Merlot. Again, that is just a lovely colour. And then we've got graphite. I think that's all the colours. Now the graphite, as you can see, it's a real lovely sort of blue grey. Kind of reminds me of Twilight from the VersaFine Claire range. A similar sort of colour, so those actually would work quite nicely together. So I'm going to just do you a very quick demo with the gel press now. Let's do olive green. So we'll just ink up, and then we transfer that green over onto the gel press and just blend that colour over the top. And that is our base for our brushos. And they work so well with the brushos with this technique. It's taken us a long time to get it right, but it's absolutely spot on. Okay, let's have a look at what colours. Let's go with a bit of purple. And a little bit of the pink. And let's go with some blue. And let's see what we've got. Okay, so we've got our multifarious card here, and I'm just going to pop that over the top, and let's give it a press and see what we have. Wow. And you can see how well these new elements work with the brushos. Fabulous background. Okay guys, I will be doing more demonstrations with our new elements, and I hope that you are as excited as what we are about these lovely colours. Thanks for joining me guys, you take care, and we'll see you real soon. Bye for now.